Thought I'd share this one with you guys today. This is a Honda Fit, an older Honda Fit. I was amazed because you don't see many of these cars. This car has 225,000 miles. Obviously, it needed a headlight restoration, but it came out pretty good considering the miles. So there you go. Typical wear and tear, sunburn, the whole light because it's forward facing. So we're trying to erase 200,000 miles. So here you go. Not bad at all for 225,000 miles. Broward Headlight Restoration. 754-302-0769. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach. We are mobile. We come to you. Give us a call or text us today. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching this video.